Wagemaster tutorials. Today we will going through changing the employee type from casual to full-time. Let's jump right in. I already opened my Wagemaster on the computer, so let's click on the employees. This is our test file. So I got one of the casual employee set up as a test. So the first thing, you just need to make sure you don't need to worry about changing any of their personal details. You can leave them as it is if they are up to date. Click on the employment and the employment again. Now this is very important. So the employee date, you can leave as it is. Now the award, so currently this employee is attached to a casual award, and the award dates, usually it's exactly the same as the employee date. Now when we change in the employee type, you're pretty much changing the employee award type as well, depending on the scenario. So in my case, this is casual employee, so I'm going into a full-time employee, and you just need to click on the change award. Then this change award wizard will pop up. Just read through and just click on next, and you just need to select the new award. So this file got all the Wagemaster templates awards included already. So I'm gonna select Wagemaster 38 full-time super hour lovers, because I'm gonna pay him super animation for every hour he's gonna work, and the new award date. So this is very important. Again, it's going to be a new thing for the employee. You can select the new date in future or the current date, but just in case if you forget to change this employee type and you need to backdate, you can change it. The reason this date is very important, because on this date, these employees or the leaves, especially with annual leave, if you're paying leave loading and sick leaves and long services leave, everything's calculated based on this new award date. So I will select the future date, maybe on 30th Monday. Click on next. Then the employment classification, so make sure you change it to full-time, because we changed the employee from casual to full-time. And this is the confirmation. So this is a snapshot to give you the breakdown, what's the employee's current award and what's the award we're going to change, and the effective date. It's everything seems right. You can tick this box to confirm. Click on next, and it is completed. So that's it. If I quickly go into close this one, if I click the employee button again, see the employees are in red, so that's to indicate to he's full-time now. Let's have a quick look on his employment. Okay, it says Wagemaster full-time super all hours and the new award date. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book one of our consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a video like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Thank you.